Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about using one of these to make some of these to make one of these. Or one of these, or one of these, or one of these. Please like and subscribe. It does help the channel out. And if you want, you can go on our website and get files. So this is just a quick overview of the Bambu Labs printer and working with the SoarKraft parts. I'm not trying to convince you that you need to get a Bambu printer, because you can print all of these parts with a very basic, very cheap Ender 3. But this printer is very good, and it does a really good job making really nice parts, and it does it really fast. Now, do you need one? No. But do you want one? Oh yeah. So Bambu Labs is relatively new to the 3D printing world, but they offer amazing printing capabilities in an easy-to-use, well-designed product, and everyone is racing to catch up. Just so you know, I'm not affiliated with Bambu Labs in any way, and I'm not popular enough to get anything for free. So I had to buy my own printer. Now, there is a ton of information on the internet about these printers. They are so popular right now, and they are so cool. So all you have to do is look around, and you will find what you need. In the end, I chose the X1 carbon combo because I wanted maximum capability right out of the box. However, if the X1 and the P1 are completely out of your price range, Bambu Lab just announced an A1 bed slinger with a lot of the same capabilities for a very nice price point. So let's go through and answer some quick questions. Can the Bambu print airplane parts? Definitely have to say that's a big yes. Especially the SoarKraft parts. The next question is it fast? So comparing printing an entire wing in 14 hours in generic PLA, the same wing in the same material printed on a slower printer takes 3 times as long, or 41 hours. All right, so one of my favorite YouTubers, Stefan at CNC Kitchen, did a video about the Bambu Labs printing too fast. I did a quick comparison between a slow printed part and a fast printed part. There was no noticeable difference in strength, but I could tell that there was a difference in the texture of the surface, the matte finish, which I hope to explore in future videos. Can the Bambu printers print the foaming lightweight PLA? Well, of course it can. But it can still only print one part at a time, and it's a little bit slower, but the parts come out really nice. And while this material is slower to print than regular PLA, the amazing tuned accelerations of these printers, even at slow speeds, is more than twice as fast as the slow printers. Also seems to do a good job with the Polymaker pre-foamed lightweight PLA. So we know it's fast, but what about quality? So the part on the left was printed on my Sidewinder, and the part on the right was printed on the Bambu in about 1/3 the time. And if you look close, you can see the waviness in the Sidewinder part, whereas the Bambu part, that has all been tuned out, and the only defect is the speed marks from layer to layer. Again, the same part, but this time in the lightweight foaming PLA. The left is the Sidewinder and the right is the Bambu, and you could see the difference in the layer-to-layer alignment. As the part grows and gets taller, the alignment on the Bambu is fantastic. And lastly, there's my fear of the slicer. Closed source, limited, cloud printing. What? I have to send my file to some other server before it goes to my printer? Then I heard about PrusaSlicer from Soft Fever. It's an open source version of Bambu Studio. And the new Simplify 3D update works with Bambu Lab printers too. And then just knowing that I could save G-code to a micro SD card and print directly gave me the confidence that I could work with this printer setup no matter the project I'm working on. So the unboxing was so easy, I'm not going to bore you with the details. I'm using the cold plate side with some glue stick. Glue stick is supplied by Bambu Labs. Super easy to use, just spread it on. Everything seems to stick really well. You can use the engineering side as well, a little bit of glue stick. And I've heard that sometimes it gets gross, but it's so easy to clean up. A little bit of warm water, a little bit of a rub, and then wipe with a towel and put some more glue stick on, and it is ready to go. And location tabs for alignment, but the printer will tell you if it's not. And the wireless LAN is nice, but it having a micro SD card to be able to transfer files works much faster, especially for videos and really big prints. Overall, Bambu Studio was pretty easy to figure out, but it did have some odd features, like this spiral Z-hop thing. This was the default setting for the generic PLA and would leave these little zits on the surface. And the first attempt with the foaming PLA was just hilarious. The Z-hop attribute is found in the filament settings, so you have to hit Edit Filament Settings and go to Setting Overrides, where I set it to normal, along with some other changes. And then the rest of the changes are in the Process tab. And this is where the bulk of the changes happen, where you need to set the wall thicknesses and the precision, turn on Arachne wall perimeter generator, and avoid crossing walls. Very important. The avoid crossing walls is like combing mode in Cura, but it actually works in Bambu Studio. These configuration files, as well as a test part, are available on the website on the Material and Settings page. You can download them and try them out with Bambu or Orca. Then installing them, it's as easy as extracting the files and then going to import and importing the config files. Then the filament and process settings should be in your pull down tabs, and you can use them for whatever parts you want to print. This is the Juicy DS plane. This is my favorite model, and the first thing I printed on my Bambu Labs printer. Using PLA and the right setting in Bambu Studio, I was able to set up all the parts on 3 build plates. And something that usually takes 4 days to print, I can print in a single day. It does still take a couple of hours to build and program to get ready to fly. But flying in conditions like these, or crazy places to fly like this,
it's just a matter of digging a little deeper. We won't really dig very deep.
Turbulent air, low, really fast. It's awesome. What could possibly go wrong? Oh!
Nice!
Oh!
My God!
Oh! Oh, so much fun. And then after picking up all the pieces, I can just print out another one and do it again. So yeah, the Bambu X1C is a bit pricey, but it is the right tool for the job right now. The quality and speed and capability, I look forward to developing more parts and more planes with this printer and all the things that it can do. And I know the 3D printing world is changing pretty fast right now, but Bambu Lab with this X1C has set the bar pretty high, and I look forward to seeing a printer that can outperform this. I have more videos coming talking about using different materials and trying out some of the more advanced features of the new slicers. And of course, new models. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.